Today's unboxing is going to be the TOLOCO Percussion Massage Gun T11 Pro. The features include quiet and lightweight, easy to use, versatile design, 2.6 amp hour battery. Comes in a nice big box. Looks like it comes with some attachments. Designed by TOLOCO. Okay, let's get the plastic off this and figure out what we got inside. Oh wow! Really nice carbon fiber appearance bag. It's got a double zipper. It's got a handle on it. Okay, turn it around this way so we can open it and show you. And there we are inside. Looks like we have a nice thank you letter, and I'm assuming some instructions in here. Yeah, we got some QR codes. And then the instructions for it. Shows you the packing list, operating instructions, maintenance and storage, warranty and charging. And then gives you basic areas where you should use it. That's one heck of a battery hooked onto this thing. Wonder if it has any charge in it from the factory, or if I'm gonna have to charge it first. Looks like I'll have to charge it first. So we have a flat round instrument there, kind of a foam ball, pitchfork, more of a rubber cushiony ball, looks like a couple of ladybugs stacked up, a much smaller surface area, so it probably hits harder. Looks like it might be a finger. And then the charge cable. Looks like it charges at 25.2 volts at 1 amp. Let's see how we can get everything back in the box. Ball goes there. There. We have two attachments left that don't really fit anywhere. Maybe they go in there. There we go. I should have read the directions before giving that last unboxing on this. It looks like there's an on-off switch on the bottom of the battery, along with the battery charge port. So it makes it to where you can remove the battery and charge it, or purchase extra batteries if you need it to run longer. It does do a intense job. I'll go ahead and let you see here. Thank you for watching.